everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Blooms. In this Staad Pro tutorial, we are going to learn about the slab analysis. So, I'm going to select the new project and I'm going to give the file name as slab here and click on next. So, finish. So, in this video, just I'm going to create only slab. In upcoming videos, we'll see how to assign slab for frames also. So, I'm going to create slab by using the grid method. Right now, I'm going to change the alignment of this grid. Click on edit in the snap node beam option in this window. So, you can select the plane for exit and click on OK. I am changing the view to top view. So, click on control. Just hold the control key in order to get only nodes. Okay, I'm going to create nodes at 4x4 distances and I can close this grid. So, by closing this snap node beam. So, after this, I'm going for geometry and I'm going to use generate surface mesh. So, to get the node number, shift n is the shortcut key starting from the first node 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. So, wherever we have start, we have to end at that point only. So, select the quadrilateral meshing. Here we are going to get polygonal and quadrilateral. So, for polygonal, it is like triangular divisions. And for quadrilateral, we are going to get the rectangular or the square divisions. Like rectangular divisions here. So, click on OK. I'm going to change the division for each side. I'm going to give 4. Just you can use tab key to navigate from one side to another side like this. And click on apply. So, after this, just go for general, click on property page and just go for define here. Sorry, you have to define the thickness for this slab. Since I don't have any beams or columns, directly go for the thickness and I'm going to assign 0.2 meter thickness. And if you observe, whatever the thickness we have given there, it has been assigned to all the nodes, okay, all the corners. So click on apply and close. So just click on 3D rendering view. So we are going to get the view like this before assigning the thickness. So select the property assign to view, assign and yes. So if you observe this here, we are going to get this slab with thickness like this, okay, with defined elements. So click on support, create and click on fixed support, add support to. I'm going to hold control and select the corner nodes of the slab and assign to select and nodes, assign. Next step is to go for loads and definition, load case details, add. So I'm going to select dead load, let it be DL here and click on add. Similarly, I'm going to add live load. So LL and click on add, close. So select dead load, add and I'm going to add the plate loads here. Right now I'm going to consider only plate load, that too pressure on full plate. So minus 3 kilonewton per meter square in GY direction, add and similarly this is, and for live load just go for live load, add and select the plate loads minus 2 kilonewton per meter square and GY direction, add and close. So dead load assign to view, assign yes. So let me keep in isometric view so that you can observe the loading here. Similarly live load assign to view, assign and yes. Okay. Next I want to create the combination. So load case details, add auto load combination and just go for Indian code, generate loads, add and close. Okay. And after that just go for analysis print page, click on all, add and close. So just I'm going to run the analysis, analyze, run analysis and save. So we are going to get this window, analysis and design window here. So we can observe that there are 0 errors and just click on done. And if you want to observe the output, you can click on output here. So if you want to observe the total dead load is minus 48 and similarly live load is minus 32 in Y direction. Okay. So you can go for post processing and click on apply. All the loads will be applied here. So if you want to observe the stresses here, click on plate page and you can select the load case here. For example, if you want to observe for dead load, click on dead load and select the maximum stress type as maximum absolute. So we can observe that we got the maximum value as 0.4 here. Okay. So click on apply and OK. So if you want to see stresses for different load cases, at top you are going to have the load list here. Okay. So just click on this one and you will be getting all the loads. I'm going for load combination 3 and you can observe here we got the stress as 1.04, that as we can observe the stresses at edges here. Okay, so like that we can observe the stresses for various types of loads. For load combination 5 is 0.6. So for 3 it has been higher value. Okay, so like this we can observe the stress analysis. Like we can see the stress values and the stress contours like this. Okay, and this contours can be adjusted actually. If you clicking on plate, here we are going to get the contour type. Let it be maximum absolute. If you are getting enhanced, you can see a difference like this. Previously we were getting lines, so it has been totally differentiated like this. Okay, if you want to show in only line type, you can go for normal line, maximum absolute, apply and OK. Okay, like this we can see the stress distribution. Okay, so this is all about this slab analysis. In next video we are going to see slab on frames. So if you find this helpful, please share with your friends and do subscribe for the Civil Engineering Blooms. Thank you.